Hi friends, welcome back. So we're talking Tesla and Tesla stock. In fact, headlines coming out today on July 2nd, 2024. Tesla's second quarter vehicle deliveries fell, get this, fell 4.8%. Sales fall again this year as rivals introduce their own EVs. But this stock is trading like crypto. It's disconnected from reality. It is actually pumping in the pre-market up 5%. Currently trading at 220. If you guys can explain that to me, please let me know. Again, deliveries are down 4.8%, yet the stock is up 5%. This is actually the numbers from 2024, and the reason why I'm going to show you the numbers from last year. So we can see here, production, Model 3 and Y, 386,000. Deliveries, 422,000. Other models, 24,000, and deliveries, 21,000. So it's actually kind of interesting here. You can see in terms of other models, so I guess your Cybertrucks or your S's or whatever, they're building more than they're delivering. You guys can see right there. And then you got deliveries at 444,000, so that would be the 443, so that would be the total, or around 44, it's fine. The one thing too that I want to point out, and I got to mention this every single time we talk about this, the 3 and the Y numbers are always combined, so we don't actually know exactly what their production or deliveries are regarding these, because Elon Musk and the fanboys and fangirls always like to say it's the best selling car in the world, which is a bit misleading because again, they don't even share. This is a Tesla's official numbers. They don't even share what those actual numbers are because again, it's combined the 3 and the Y. And also too, it's a bit misleading too when they say it's the number 1 selling car in the world because yes, they do sell a bunch of Ys, but Toyota still outsells Tesla by essentially Toyota sells 10 million, 12 million cars a year. Tesla sells about 2 million cars a year, something like that. So I hope you guys understand that what I'm saying. I know for the fanboys and fangirls, they don't understand this stuff, but that's okay. I understand that. I completely understand that Tesla trades like a meme stock and crypto. What's interesting about this is that this is last year's numbers. So they showed you a little bit different before. There's the S and the X, production 19,000, deliveries 19,000, production 460, deliveries 446. And then when you can do the combined numbers, it's a production about 480 and deliveries about 466. So again, the deliveries are under their production. That was last year. And the other thing is when you look at right now, you can see the numbers for yourself. I just want you guys to see numbers for yourself. 44,000, fine. 444,000 deliveries, and compared to last year, it is down, and it's down again by 4.8%. Yet the stock is up. It's so bizarre. Tesla deliveries of China made so when they, I guess these are the Chinese-made AVs. They're down 24%, so they're starting to struggle. They have a lot of competition in China. Moreover, yes, the stock is up in the pre-market. It's still down 40-some%. We'll see what it ends up today. This is a real thing. The Chinese vehicle, the EVs, are gaining. They're certainly selling a lot more cars, that is, and this is NIO. I think BYD's in there, Li Auto, XPeng, etc. The one thing I thought was really fascinating, though, is that there was some crazy news, and this is all based on innuendos and rumors about the Tesla's Robotaxi thing, right? So that's essentially what's going to supposedly save Tesla. And there's this funny thing here where it says Tesla adds to gains as Musk follows Kalanick. And if you don't know who that is, this is the founder of Uber. And Musk, I guess, followed him recently on Twitter/X. I checked it out for myself. I can see Elon Musk is following said person. And so, I mean, there's no official announcement other than Elon Musk is following that person on Twitter. And I guess just followed him. I didn't know he wasn't following them. I mean, that isn't that crazy? This is what we're talking about here. So, so the innuendo is or rumor, whatever you want to say it, that when Musk follows someone, is there going to be a deal made with the former Uber founder? Who knows? Chances are they do like each other. Why would I say that? Because this guy, the Uber guy, had a whole bunch of sexual harassment scandals. Tesla's often cited for, essentially employees speaking out saying Elon Musk is a harasser person, and they always settle, and so you never get the full details. So who knows on that? This guy, that if you guys followed the story, he did a bunch of stuff also and was ultimately kicked out of Uber. So sounds like a guy that would get along with Elon. So again, I wouldn't be surprised if they have some sort of deal. So who knows? I guess that would be one reason the stock is pumping. Here's another reason. Tesla filed a patent recently regarding the Robotaxi stuff, and it was actually kind of interesting because it had to do with sanitation, meaning keeping the taxi clean. Or I guess it's going to serve as a garbage truck. You be the judge of that. It's an odd thing to me because, to be pumping on something that isn't even on the road, let alone be officially announced. And this is, supposedly going to be announced on August 8th. I'm watching. I mean, it's entertaining. I mean, I won't lie. It's entertaining to see what the heck, what kind of rabbit they can pull out of the hat. And it's always entertaining to see what the pumpers say about, said Robotaxi thing. Tesla's strategy is basically, forget about numbers, forget about reality. Stick with us for 5 years and you're going to be golden. I mean, maybe. I like to look at numbers. Deliveries are down. I don't know what to say. The other thing is, guys, we're just talking about deliveries here. Because if your margins are shrinking, which is likely going to be happening and reported in the coming up earnings, I think it's about 12 days from now, something like that. It'll be coming shortly. But even if your deliveries, actually deliveries aren't going up, so we know that their deliveries are going down. Margins are shrinking, so there's a chance they're going to be, earning less money and have a bad cash flow situation. So again, it's so odd. Essentially, we're pumping, I guess, because we beat Wall Street estimates. Wall Street, what does it say here? Analysts expected Tesla to hit deliveries of 439, and then they came in at like 443. So they came in, I guess, 4,000 vehicles higher, or you could call it 5,000, I guess, 5,000 vehicles higher than what was the estimation? Is that what we're saying here? Okay. I'm laughing because it's like, okay, let's just be honest, guys. This thing trades like a meme stock / crypto. It's disconnected from reality. Let's read some more quotes here. In April, Tesla reported a drop of 8.5% in first quarter deliveries, right? Weeks later, the company reported 13% decline in your revenue, right? So the revenue went down, the deliveries went down, and yet the stock is still pumping. But sales drop also correlate with Tesla's aging vehicle lineup, right? No new vehicles. Plus Elon is, antics, political rants, right? And I understand this, guys. The Tesla fanboys and fangirls say, oh, this is just mainstream media article, saying bad things about Tesla. But it's like, they're just reporting the numbers. Right, they're reporting that the revenues are going down and the deliveries are going down, and yes, guys, I'm honest with you. Yes, the stock is going up. I can completely see this going up. So that's why it's funny, because it doesn't really make sense if you understand what I'm saying. The other thing is too, when we're talking about margins, it says here in China, Tesla is currently offering zero interest loan as an incentive to get customers to buy a Model 3 or Y by July 31st. And again, that would be to boost your delivery numbers or boost your, revenue, but your margins are decreasing, right? If you're, I'm explaining it to you, or maybe I do. If I decrease the profits on a car, yes, maybe I can deliver more cars, but what is that going to do to profits overall? And that's what we're going to find out. This person also says here, this is coming from Wells Fargo. They say, it's a report, right? They're saying, with declining delivery growth driven by lower demand and diminished return on price cuts, he recommends selling Tesla shares. And again, I already know what the fanboys and fangirls say, oh, well, that's just mainstream media. But I mean, it doesn't seem like that illogical to me. If I tell you, hey guys, this is a car company who has, deliveries declining, less delivery growth, and essentially keeps cutting prices to try to move, inventory. Is that a company you want to invest in? And essentially, again, the promise is, well, they're going to have these awesome robotaxis that we haven't seen yet. Maybe we're going to find out August 8th. Maybe. I laugh because I just think the odds of them ever turning a profit or even producing, let's not even get ahead of ourselves, the odds of them even producing a robotaxi that will see the light of day, maybe you're 3-4 years out, I guess. And can the hype, go on long enough before Elon leaves? We'll see. And I understand for those of you who, got into this thing, you're down about, I think it was 48% of your money. Who knows, might pump today, maybe only be down, 45% of your money, something like that. But, we're going to find out. This is more, it says here, Wells Fargo expects automotive gross margins at Tesla, not including environmental credits, to fall, right? Margins fall, likelihood of more price cuts and lower volumes. Investor will now shift to second quarter earnings profit, and we'll see what this thing ends up being called: Robotaxi, Cybercab, Cyber Beast automated edition or whatever, and that is what it is. So I honestly, guys, I find this stuff really entertaining and laughable, that it is going up, but this is the market. It can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So good luck to everyone out there. Please share your thoughts on this one. Did I miss any sort of rumor, or am I reading these numbers incorrectly? Did it not say deliveries fell 4%? Am I reading something wrong? I'm literally, just going right from Tesla's website, and it looks like deliveries are down, and yet the stock is up. So that's what's up. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next video.